Hello everyone, I am Stephanie and I am going to be giving a tutorial from home. We are going to be working with the Cantera Negra Silver tonight, making a Bloody Maria for you. I am obviously bartending from my backyard, but normally you can find me at Downtown Cocktail Room or Mike Morey's Sip and Tip. Enjoy the floats, enjoy the scenery. Let's make this drink. So we are going to start first of all with our 3 ounces of Cantera Negra. We'll tell you later why that was so funny. So we are going to put the tequila in the glass first. Give it a nice little 3 ounce. And we are going to be starting making the Bloody Maria mix from scratch. So you can mix it however you want. Everyone has their specific Bloody Mary, Bloody Maria preferences. But we tonight are going to start with the 6 ounces of tomato juice. We're gonna go with a spoonful of horseradish. For all you spicy people out there, you can add more. Just like that. Go with a couple cracks of pepper. I like to put the pepper in between. I'm weird like that. Gonna go with a little hot sauce, obviously. It's your choice on what you want to use. A few dashes of that baby there. Go with some fresh lime. Never use that bottled stuff. It's disgusting. It's full of sugar and it'll give you the worst hangover ever. So we got that going there. And then we are going to add some of our lovely Dirty Sue olive juice mix. Oh, I'm so glad I got the lid open. Didn't even have to use the spoon. All right. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and pre-shake this because I like to have all the ingredients mixed up. Found this little ice scoop the other day. I'm pretty excited about it. Just give it a good whatever makes you happy. I don't think I've actually mixed a drink in like a month. Feels good. It's normally my workout. And then also you'll notice the rim. We used a tahini on the rim for that. And I just used fresh lime juice around the top of the glass. And then dip it in the tahini and you're good to go. So we've got our ice. Let's strain this bad boy. And this is the fun part. So garnishing the drink is always my favorite thing. I always go a little crazy with it. So we have this bad boy that I pre-prepared. We've got a pepper jack grilled cheese sandwich, pepper jack cheese, peppers, jalapeno, pickle, bacon, bib lettuce, heirloom tomatoes, and the Dirty Sue stuffed olive. And that is a delicious Bloody Maria. Enjoy. Hi, and I'm back. Okay, so we just did the Bloody Maria with all the fun ingredients. If during this time you can't find all these funky, weird ingredients, it is super easy. You can use the Cantera Negra Silver and the Palo Mahoney Bloody Mary mix. Give them one of these, as healthy as you want, because we're all drinking a lot right now. Scoop your ice. I like to give a little stir. Cute little celery, and boom. There you go, the simple version. And just a quick reminder, everyone, just stay safe and please keep yourself in good spirits. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. the Cantera Negra Silver with the Cantera.